Hi there, I have an announcement to make about the next project that I'll be working on. I actually started on it during the Christmas and New Year's Eve vacation, and I'm slowly progressing, and meanwhile I'm learning a lot, so I want to share more with you. I actually want to start building a robot. I really enjoyed the work that I did on the drinks machine using motors, and I wanted to do more of that. And no, I'm not starting with just a robot car or something. I'm starting with something bigger, more challenging, a humanoid robot. So it'll be able to move, it will be able to pick up drinks from the fridge, tell me what the weather is outside, and so on. So I started to work on it. I have part of the hand, part of the arm, part of the brain, and some eye mechanisms. And I'm continuously upgrading, but I'm learning a lot. I've been reading a lot of anatomy books, a lot of YouTube videos on animatronics, mechatronics, as well as servos and motors, stepper motors. So it's super interesting. There's a lot of work to do, so I think I'll be busy for the rest of the year. So I'll be posting a lot more videos on robotics, and I hope that you will follow the progress of me building the robot.